In this video, we're going to apply the laws of exponents to these problems. These problems could have you multiplying. That means you need to add your exponents. These problems could have dividing. That means you need to subtract your exponents. If it has a negative exponent, they're going to want you to change it to a positive exponent. That means you need to flip it. It could have problems where the exponent is 0. That means anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. These problems are also going to involve multiplying and dividing. So you need to take all these rules, all these laws, and apply them to each one of these problems. Problem number 1, I am multiplying. What's my rule with my exponents? If I'm multiplying, I have to add the exponents. So what I want to do is I'm going to add these first two and get a new exponent on this x right here. 6 and negative 4 added together is 2 times x to the third. So these two have been put together to give me this right here. Now I need to multiply these two together. What is the rule for multiplying with exponents? I'm supposed to add these exponents together. My new exponent is 5. Next problem involves multiplying and dividing. When you're given a problem and there's a division bar like this, you need to do everything in the top and then everything in the bottom and then divide. So you need to resolve what's up here in the top. Up here in the top, I'm taking x to the 9th times x to the 6th. I'm multiplying. What am I supposed to do with my exponents when I multiply? I'm supposed to add. This is going to give me x to the 15th power divided by x to the negative 3rd power. Now I divide. What's my rule for dividing? When I divide, I'm supposed to subtract my exponents. So this is going to be x to the 15th power minus a negative 3. X to the 15th plus 3. 15 plus 3 is 18. Number 3. Again, I need to resolve everything in the top of this fraction first. What's my rules for multiplying? If I multiply, I need to add my exponents. So this is going to be x to the 11th power divided by x to the negative 2nd power. My rule for dividing exponents, if I divide, I'm supposed to subtract these exponents. So this is going to be 11 minus a negative 2. That's going to be 11 plus 2, and 11 plus 2 is 13. Problem number 4. I need to resolve what's in the bottom here before I do any dividing. So I'm going to leave the top alone, and I'm going to multiply in the bottom. My rule for multiplying, if I multiply, what do I do with my exponents? Add those together, and I get 17. Rule for dividing, what do I need to do with my exponents when I divide? I need to subtract. This is going to be 6 minus 17. 6 minus 17 is negative 11. It says express your answer using positive exponents. What do I do when this is a negative exponent and I need to change it to a positive exponent? Put a 1 up under it, flip it. The act of flipping it changes the sign of that exponent.